Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Baiye. I'm back again for another one. So today, I actually thought that we should get another pair of earbuds, and the earbuds I selected for today are the Galaxy Buds. I know all of you are wondering why the Galaxy Buds, but they're cheaper now. So you can actually get them on Amazon for $96. I'll leave the link for that down below, and then you can get them for as low as 45,000 naira right now. I'll leave the link down below for that too. So I thought about it, Galaxy Buds plus Galaxy Buds, which one is more affordable, which one is more available to everybody, and I decided to go with the Galaxy Buds. So the Galaxy Buds are here today, and we're going to be unboxing them now. Hey, what's up, guys? So these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Okay, I didn't even know they were actually made with AKG. It says on the back 6 hours playtime, Bluetooth, and then it tells us what's inside. Anyway, we're going to look inside now. So I don't have a nice knife. I'm actually looking for where to get one. If you guys have an idea of where I can get one, just leave it down in the comments below. Okay, this is going to be very, very annoying. Finally. Okay, we have the box open now, and let's see what's inside. Okay, I know this is actually not good because I literally just tore the whole backside, but let's see. Okay, this is I guess this is pretty simple, really. It's a very simple package. The case, I'm guessing that the case probably has the earbuds inside. Let's take a look, see. Okay, that's actually very firm. That's a very firm casing. I like that. I'm guessing that this probably has all the air tips and everything. Okay, it has the charging cord. Let me get rid of this paper. It has the charging cord. I think it's micro USB. Or is it USB-C? Okay, it's USB-C. Well, that's perfect then. Anyway, so that's what comes in the box. The earbuds, sound by AKG. The charging cable, and I guess we do not get a power brick. All right. And almost slipped my mind. It always comes with ear tips. I guess this is medium. Yeah, I guess I'd say these are large, these are small, and it's medium that is attached to the ear tips. That's actually very, I don't know, I like the packaging, I guess. That's nice. So let's set it up and see what's next. Okay, so guys, I got an A70 here with me. I'm going to be trying to use the pair with the Samsung Galaxy Buds because, it's better to use Samsung with Samsung. Alright guys, so I guess I had to plug it in a little bit. I think the battery was a little bit low. I was surprised, really. Yeah, I think, so it comes up easily. You just click connect, I guess. Allow Galaxy wearable to access the device. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, so it just connects like that. Okay. Allow. Yeah, sure, allow. Okay. Download. Alright, so I actually had to go back and download the Galaxy Buds app because it seemed to be downloading for some reason. And yeah, so it seems as though the buds are actually pretty low, I think. The battery says that when it's red, it's below 30%. Okay, 30%. I actually like the app. Like, the app actually looks very clean. I like the way the curves are in the app and everything. Dynamic, even has an equalizer. That's actually pretty chill. Has defined my earbuds app. Okay, it has touch pads, that's true. And then notifications. I guess that's pretty much the app. And then the battery percentages for each ear. I actually really like this. Anyway, so I'm about to try this out. Let me see how it sounds. So after the unboxing, we can see that the Galaxy Buds are pretty small in comparison to the ones I did earlier, when I did last episode. And the form factor of the Galaxy Buds, as you can see, It's pretty small. At least it fits in my hand easily. And yeah, I think it has a very, very firm opening and closing. Opens up very firmly, very stiff. The buds themselves have a nice fit, at least from what I checked. And I think, yeah, they fit quite nicely. And from what I see, it has a tight, yeah, it actually closes you off quite a bit to the environment. I won't say it closes you off totally, but yeah, it isolates you quite a bit. So on these buds, as it said, they don't actually have noise cancellation, but they have noise isolation. So it actually isolates you from your environment, but it's not like completely isolated and everything. And then the battery life out of the box is about 6 hours, and then the case itself gives you an extra 7 hours. And if we actually look, the wireless charging is probably one of the big things for the buds, because you can totally just toss them on your wireless charging pad and then it's work and no issues. So yeah, I guess I could say my final verdict on these is that although there's a discrepancy between the Galaxy Buds Plus and these in terms of the amount of time you can use them for, I'd say the price of these is just right because it's under $100, which is like $96, and in Naira it's 45,000 Naira, whereas the Galaxy Buds Plus is about 65. So I guess with the price difference, when you put it into perspective, price difference, number of hours you can actually use it for, it actually makes sense to actually cop these right now. So I say that from me, the verdict on these is they're pretty good. And if you use Samsung phones, not just any Android, if you use Samsung phones, I think you should cop these. Yeah. So if you liked the video, please leave a like. Please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment of what you think I should be reviewing next week. Thanks for watching. See you next time.